Step into a world where Victorian charm meets Scandinavian simplicity. In this video, we're exploring how these two timeless styles come together to create a home that's as elegant as it is inviting. From intricate details to modern minimalism, you'll see how the best of both worlds can transform any space into a cozy sanctuary. First up, we'll take a look at the living room, a space where warmth and functionality meet refined aesthetics. With light-filled interiors, muted tones, and subtle Nordic influences, these living rooms are designed to make you feel right at home while showcasing sophistication at its finest. Let's dive into this harmonious blend of old and new. The heart of the home gets a chic makeover. These kitchens bring together Victorian elegance and Scandinavian practicality, creating spaces that are both functional and stylish. Imagine marble countertops paired with light wood cabinetry, illuminated by soft natural light from tall sash windows. Every corner speaks to the beauty of clean lines, muted tones, and clever design. Whether it's the subtle brass fixtures or the perfectly placed open shelving, these kitchens are a dream come true for culinary enthusiasts and minimalists alike. Let's uncover the magic of these picture-perfect culinary spaces. Welcome to your serene retreat. These bedrooms blend the intricate details of Victorian architecture with the calming simplicity of Scandinavian design. Picture light wooden frames, soft textiles, and muted palettes that invite relaxation. The tall sash windows bring in an abundance of natural light, creating a bright and airy atmosphere. With delicate moldings, plush throws, and minimalistic decor, these bedrooms are made for peaceful mornings and cozy evenings. Let's step into a haven where comfort meets style. From above, these homes are a masterpiece of design. The Victorian architectural elements, gabled roofs, symmetrical windows, and charming porches are elevated by Scandinavian touches like muted tones and natural wood details. These exteriors strike the perfect balance between classic beauty and modern elegance. The landscaping is kept simple yet inviting, with native plants and clean pathways framing the homes. Whether it's the soft lighting at dusk or the elegant symmetry from every angle, these houses are a visual treat. Let's take in the seamless blend of form and function. Step into the lap of luxury with these bathrooms that redefine elegance. Scandinavian minimalism brings simplicity to the classic Victorian style, creating spaces that feel both timeless and modern. Think freestanding bathtubs, brass accents, and soft gray tiles that add a touch of sophistication. Every detail, from the circular mirrors to the clean lines, is designed to create a spa-like ambiance. The natural lighting and subtle decor make these bathrooms perfect for unwinding after a long day. Let's discover how functionality and beauty can coexist effortlessly. Gather around in dining spaces that radiate warmth and sophistication. The Victorian charm shines through in intricate molding and arched windows, while Scandinavian touches like light wooden tables and muted palettes keep things inviting. These spaces are perfect for both intimate dinners and lively gatherings, with a soft area rug grounding the room in cozy elegance. The lighting is a showstopper. Think elegant pendants and soft, natural light enhancing the atmosphere. Every detail is designed to make mealtime a memorable experience. Let's savor the beauty of these stunning dining areas. Take a breath of fresh air in these thoughtfully designed outdoor spaces. Victorian elegance meets Scandinavian simplicity with natural wood decking, clean landscaping, and charming seating arrangements. From small fire pits to lush greenery, these spaces are crafted for relaxation and connection. The muted tones and minimalist decor extend the interior aesthetic outdoors, creating a cohesive and serene environment. Whether it's a morning coffee or an evening gathering, these spaces are perfect for enjoying the great outdoors in style. Let's explore these tranquil retreats that feel like an extension of home.